Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix Facebook unsupported browser issue. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're going through Facebook unsupported browser issue, then here are some things you could try out. Simply open up your web browser and once you do that, go to the top right hand corner and click on the three dots. Now select Settings from the expanded menu and click on Privacy Search and Services option on the left hand side of the screen. Scroll down and you'll be able to see an option that says Clear Browsing Data. Click on Choose What to Clear option and make sure that cookies and other site data, cached image and files are selected from the pop-up. Click Clear now and once you clear out your browser data, you might be able to solve your issue. The next thing you should look out for is to make sure that you are connected to an internet while trying to go through your Facebook account. If you are connected to a slow internet connection might be the main issue why your browser is not supporting Facebook at the moment. Once you make that change, you might be able to solve your issue. That was how you can easily fix Facebook unsupported browser issue using your web browser. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.